I have this pine board that measures 28.5 by 9.5 inches, and I'm going to paint it with some Wise Owl Higgins Lake. I gave this one good coat of paint, and I'm going to allow it to fully dry. Once dry, I got these Mermaid wall stickers from the Dollar Tree. They had these little mermaids on them, and I'm going to stick them so that the tails are on the edge of the board, so it looks like the mermaid is swimming off of the board. There were 3 mermaids that came with the wall stickers, so I placed all 3 just scattered on the board, and you want to make sure that they're sticking nicely. Next, I'm going to take some of the other little stickers they have. They had some coral that I'm going to place down at the bottom here. They also had some seashells and some stars. So I'm just randomly placing the stickers throughout the board, kind of leaving the center empty. I have my mini foam roller and some Wise Owl Snow Owl, and I'm going to roll the paint on top of the Higgins Lake and also on top of all the stickers that we had just placed down. Now, sometimes working with the paint, you do need it to dry a little before doing your second coat for the white to just grab a little better. So I just quickly run my embossing tool or my blow dryer over the paint very quickly, and I'm going to apply a second coat of the white paint, and it's just going to grab a little better once it is mostly dry. These mini foam rollers you can get right at Lowe's or Home Depot, and they're great for painting flat surfaces. So once I was happy with the white coverage, I'm then going to take something with a nice edge that I could peel all these stickers up with. And I just have this little razor blade that just helps me grab the edge of the sticker and lift. Now, as long as your sticker was adhering to the board while you were rolling on your white paint, you really should have no bleeding underneath that sticker. Next, I found this stencil from the Dollar Tree as well. It says, "Meet me by the sea," and I'm going to use a foam dabber and some Wise Owl black paint, and I'm going to put the stencil on the board. I'm going to do it in sections. I first did the meet me. I will do the sea, and then I'll do by the in the center. This just kind of helps me keep everything nice and even, and I wipe it off with just some water. You can also use a baby wipe in between each step. You can cover up the areas you do not want stenciled onto your board with some painter's tape, and the foam dabbers also come from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to finish this off by just adding 2 hooks to the right side of the board. I'm just screwing them in. You can get these hooks right from Hobby Lobby. And then I have these little starfish that I'm going to then glue in place over the screw. And there we go. Now we just have this very easy, inexpensive Meet Me by the Sea key holder. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials over on our webpage. Have a great day.